Okay friends, so today we're going to install the upper control arms I ordered from Summit. We're just going to open this bad boy up and see what we got here. What's going on here? Look at that. Very nice. Nice thing about it here, they have the new cotter pin and also the new fitting is in that little pack also for your zerk, for your ball, the ball joint. Got little pieces inside here. We're just gonna screw it in there. Yeah, this is some good quality stuff here. Look at the nice powder coating on it. Brand new ball joints already pressed inside. A nice bump stop for you. Look at that control arm shaft. That's awesome. So again, I could have ordered directly from CPP. The price is the same. The only difference is you save yourself a couple of bucks, you know, by using a part house like Summit. Anything over 99 bucks, shipping is free. So a little plug for Summit there. Not that I'm getting anything out of the deal, but I don't mind spreading good news and good advice when I can. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so safety first. I've already jacked up the truck and chalked the back wheels. If you're anything like me, it's constantly working on your vehicles by yourself. Safety is always first, you know. Last thing you want to do is have your vehicle fall off the jack stands or something and there's no one around to help you. So take a few minutes, make sure that vehicle is safe and secure before you start working on it. So as you can see inside the engine bay, I've already removed my inner fenders. You don't have to do that for this install, but you saw in the previous video when I put on the new front clip and everything, I just never reinstalled the inner fenders just yet because I knew I wanted to install control arms and all that good stuff. So it's helped clean up the bay there a little bit, and also I can get to the parts real easy. So here we have the control arm shafts. These are 3/4 inch bolts. You see the shims they use when they're doing the alignment. And if you're wondering, you know, which side is which, like I said here in the instructions, the curved tube is towards the back. So if we take a look at this bad boy here, this piece is straight, and there's your bed there. So this is going to be on the passenger side of the truck, or if you're sitting inside the driver's seat, this will be considered the right upper control arm. So let's go ahead and get to it and get the old one off and get the new one on. So these out. If you remember again, the curved portion goes to the back of the vehicle, and the straight portion goes towards the front. That's pretty much what we have right here. So, set that bad boy in there. Keep this cat from not started. All right. To leave all of the shims out. That way it'll be easier for the front end alignment shop to align the vehicle. They say it's easier to add shims versus removing shims. So that seemed like some pretty solid advice from some folks that already installed this part on their truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that advice and leave those two stacks that I pulled out earlier, leave those out, and I'll let the folks at the alignment shop add the correct number of shims to get me back on track again. So that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and tighten these back down, at least to the correct torque value. That way, like we looked up earlier, it said torque the upper bolts to that cross shaft to 70 foot-pounds, and you can see here I got it dialed in to 70. I'm going to lock that bad boy in place. This is just the regular click it style. Once it hits 70 foot-pounds of torque, you'll hear it click. So I'm going to torque them in now. That's all it takes.